Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can send a pin on iPhone. So to get started, it's a function that allows you to send a location to people or any of your friend. So for that you'll have to go and tap on the maps. So you have to select a particular location. Let's say I'm choosing this particular location right here. Now once you have choose the place or the location, just long press on it. Now here you drop the pin. Now here you can see two options right there, a cross sign and a arrow sign on the box. So simply tap on the arrow option with the box right there. Now here you can see your pin through your message, AirDrop, mail, Instagram or more options. So once you have selected the application, you can select any people of your choice and send it. And you are good to go. So this is how easily you can send a pin on iPhone. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.